In this reaction, alkene is treated with halogen in presence of water, followed by reaction with OH negative. Now alkene on reacting with halogen water converted to in presence of X2 and H2O, first converted to cyclic halonium ion. So in first step, cyclic halonium ion is formed as a product. Add an intermediate. Now water molecule will act as nucleophile. Since both carbon are equally crowded, so Markovnikov rule is not applicable and it will be converted to CH3OH, CH3, CH3 and 2CH3. Now on reacting with OH negative in second step, first oxonium ion salt is formed. So O negative, CH3 whole twice, CH3 whole twice, X. Now this O negative act as a nucleophile and here intramolecular substitution reaction takes place. X negative is eliminated and finally epoxide is formed as a final product, and hence correct answer is A. Cyclic ether or epoxide is final product of the reaction. In this reaction, cyclic ether is reacted with Grignard reagent. Now cyclic ether react with Grignard reagent via SN2 mechanism, and here nucleophile is R negative. Now nucleophile R negative will attack on that carbon which is less crowded, so R negative will attack at this carbon. Simultaneously electrons are shifted to oxygen, so CH2 R C O negative R dash and R double dash is formed. Now in second step water is taken. Now this alkoxide ion will abstract hydrogen proton from water and alcohol is formed as a final product. So correct answer is B, RCH2 C OH R dash R double dash, and hence correct option is B. In this reaction we have to find incorrect synthesis. So if we take first, now alkyl halide is taken and this alkyl halide on reaction with BH3 and THF via hydroboration oxidation gave alcohol as a final product according to anti-Markovnikov addition. And now this molecule on reacting with NaOH due to intramolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, epoxide or cyclic ether will be formed. So statement 1, reaction 1 is correct. In second case, now this molecule is having double bond and it is reacted with via OMDM reaction. So OMDM reaction takes place via Markovnikov addition. So according to Markovnikov addition, this product is formed. Now this molecule is having both nucleophile and leaving group, so intramolecular reaction takes place, and due to intramolecular reaction oxygen acts as a nucleophile and 4-membered cyclic ether, 5-membered cyclic ether is formed as a product. So this reaction is also correct. In case 3, alkene is treated with metachloroperbenzoic acid and perbenzoic acid is used as epoxidating agent. So cyclic ether or epoxide is formed as a product. So statement C is also correct. In case 3, now this reaction is Williamson synthesis. Now Williamson synthesis takes place via SN2 mechanism, but SN2 reaction is not possible when leaving group halogen is attached with sp2 carbon. Now in option D, if halogen is attached with sp2 carbon, now lone pairs are present in resonance, due to which SN1 and SN2 both reactions are not possible, and hence fourth synthesis is incorrect and correct option is D. In this reaction we have to find product of the reaction. Now given molecule is alcohol and it is heated with H3PO4. So alcohol on reacting with H3PO4 first gets protonated to form oxonium ion. Now this oxonium ion will release water molecule to form carbocation. Now this carbocation will convert it to alkene via E1 mechanism. So we will get alkene as an intermediate. Now alkene on reacting with per acid C6H5 CO3H. So in presence of per acid, cyclic ether or epoxide is formed as a product. Along with epoxide, benzoic acid is formed, and hence correct answer is D. In this reaction we have to find final product of the reaction. So now molecule is having alkyl halide and epoxide, two functional group. Now if sodium ethoxide is taken, now sodium ethoxide will preferentially attack to cyclic ether because due to strain this molecule is more reactive. Now alkoxide donate pair of electron to this carbon, simultaneously carbon oxygen bond is broken and it will convert it to CH2 Cl CH O negative CH2. Now this is carbon 14 O C2H5. Now again this O negative will act as nucleophile and this Cl will act as leaving group. So there is possibility of intramolecular SN2 reaction. So after intramolecular reaction, CH2 O CH CH2 14 O C2H5 is formed as a final product, and hence correct answer is D. In this reaction, cyclohexene is reacted with first with per acid, and in presence of per acid, epoxidation reaction takes place. So epoxide is formed as a product. Now this epoxide on reacting with HBr gets protonated and oxonium ion is formed as intermediate. Now Br negative will act as nucleophile. As Br negative attack, carbon oxygen electron are shifted towards oxygen. In this reaction nucleophile will attack from back side. So if OH is situated in front, then Br will be situated in back. So trans bromocyclohexanol is formed as a product. Molecule is having trans configuration, and hence correct answer is B. In first case 1,2-epoxy cyclohexane is formed. In second step trans 2-bromocyclohexanol is formed as a product. In this reaction Grignard reagent is treated with epoxide. Now in this reaction Grignard reagent having negative charge in carbon will act as nucleophile, while epoxide will act as electrophile. So nucleophile donate pair of electron, CH3 negative give pair of electron to carbon, simultaneously carbon oxygen electrons are shifted towards oxygen, due to which CH3 CH2 CH2 O negative is formed, O negative FgBr is formed. In next step, when acidic water is taken, now alkoxide ion abstract hydrogen proton on it will get converted to 1 degree alcohol, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to find final product of sequence of reaction. So now first alcohol is taken. Now this alcohol on reacting with red phosphorus in presence of bromine will form secondary alkyl halide as a product. So alkyl halide is formed, which on reacting with magnesium in presence of dry ether will form Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagent is formed. Now this Grignard reagent on reacting with epoxide will act as nucleophile. Grignard reagent act as a nucleophile, attack at this carbon. So oxygen atoms are shifted and we will get CH2, O negative, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. In last step, in presence of water, now alkoxide ion abstract hydrogen proton and it will convert it into alcohol. So CH2OH, CH, CH3, CH3 is formed as a product, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find major product of the reaction. Now in presence of alcoholic KOH, in presence of strong base, first of all OH negative will act as base and remove hydrogen proton from this oxygen and it will convert to alkoxide ion. Now this alkoxide ion will act as nucleophile and donate pair of electron to carbon, as oxygen donate electron pair to carbon, carbon chlorine bond is broken and Cl is removed as negative ion. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 membered ring is formed. So this is the final product formed in the reaction, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to find which of the following reaction is useful for synthesis of benzyl tertiary butyl ether. So now if alkyl halide is tertiary, then rather than substitution, elimination takes place. Now this reaction, preparation of ether via alkoxide, is called Williamson synthesis, and for Williamson synthesis alkyl halide must not be 3 degree. Alkyl halide must not be 3 degree. If alkyl halide is 3 degree, then Williamson synthesis does not take place. If alkyl halide is vinylic or halogen is directly attached with sp2 carbon, then again Williamson synthesis does not take place. If halogen is attached from bridgehead carbon, so in these cases SN2 reaction is not possible and hence Williamson synthesis does not take place. But if tertiary butoxide ion is taken, then SN2 reaction is possible. So in first case we cannot prepare ether because alkyl halide is 3 degree, and in case of 3 degree alkyl halide, rather than substitution, elimination reaction takes place. Now here base alkoxide is tertiary but alkyl halide is primary, so in this case SN2 reaction takes place and this will result formation of benzyl tertiary butyl ether, and its correct answer is B. What is product for the following reaction? Now in this case first oxygen gets protonated. Now I negative will act as nucleophile and it will convert it to O, H and I. Now further one equivalent of HI is used and it will convert it to O, I and I. Now this molecule will react further with HI to form OH, I plus diiodo compound. Now this molecule will further react with one molecule of HI. So finally ethylene iodide is formed as a product. So correct answer is C. Two equivalents of ethylene iodide will be formed in the reaction, and hence correct option is C. In this reaction, epoxide is taken. Now epoxide gets protonated first. So in acidic medium, CH2, oxonium ion is formed. Now this oxonium ion will react with CH3OH. Now reaction takes place via SN2 mechanism. Now CH3OH will attack on that carbon which is less crowded, so it will attack at this carbon. Simultaneously electrons are shifted towards oxygen, so it will convert it to CHOH, CH2, OCH3, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find product of reaction when cyclic ether is treated with HBr. So in this question, 3-membered cyclic ether is taken in presence of HBr. Now HBr act as very strong acid, oxygen having pair of electron. Oxygen will donate pair of electron to hydrogen. Now oxygen gets protonated and oxonium ion salt is formed. Now if 3-degree benzylic or allylic carbocation is formed, then there is possibility of shifting of electron in such a way that 3-degree carbocations are formed. So if these electrons are shifted towards oxygen, now 3-degree carbocation formed in this carbon and OH. Now Br negative will combine with carbocation, and hence this product is formed, and hence correct answer is C. In this question, cyclic ether is treated with acidic water. Now in presence of acidic water, first oxygen gets protonated. So after protonation, oxonium ion salt is formed, and after protonation, now OH, oxonium ion salt is formed. Now electrons are shifted in such a way that more stable carbocation is formed. So electrons are shifted towards oxygen. So it will be converted to enol. Now water molecule will act as nucleophile at this carbon, so that alcohol is formed on this carbon after removal of H positive. Now this molecule is having enolic group, and now this enol will tautomerize to carbonyl group. So C double bond O, CH2, CH2, OH will formed as a final product, and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find when ethanol is added on dihydropyrene in acidic medium. So first of all, in acidic medium, now cyclic ether gets protonated. After donating pair of electron to hydrogen, it will be converted to this molecule. Now in acidic condition, now ring will open, and under aqueous condition it will converted to enol along with formation of alcohol. Now this enol will get tautomerized to carbonyl compound. So C double bond O and OH will be formed. Now this carbonyl compound and alcohol will react with each other to form hemiacetal linkage. So hemiacetal is formed. Now this hemiacetal will react with one molecule of alcohol, further one molecule of ethanol will react with this hemiacetal to form acetal. So acetal is final product formed in the reaction, and hence correct answer is B. In this question, CH3O negative act as a nucleophile. Now cyclohexene ring is present, and at this carbon epoxide ring is present. Now CH3O negative act as nucleophile. Reaction takes place via SN2 mechanism. Now nucleophile will attack at less crowded carbon. So nucleophile will attack at this carbon. Simultaneously carbon oxygen electrons are shifted, and after attack of nucleophile, CO negative CH2 OCH3 is formed. Now this molecule will react with water. After abstraction of H positive, it will convert it into CHOH alcohol, CH2 OCH3, and hence correct answer is A.